Hi guys. I'm back with another video. We all heard a word, Tesla, at least once in your life. But do you know the history and growth of Tesla? If no, then stick to this video till the end, cause you will get tons and tons of information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, if you're not done yet. Let's get into it. Tesla was incorporated as an electric vehicle manufacturer in July 2003. Initially, the company faced difficulties in developing technology, producing prototypes, and scaling manufacturing. And in 2004, Elon Musk joined the company as chairman. He implemented his ideas successfully and started to build Tesla that no one could imagine. Despite these hurdles, the company produced its 1 millionth car in March 2020. The plan and process of Tesla is clear, and the growth of the organization increased rapidly. And the income also expanded. Tesla has become the #1 company in producing electric vehicles all over the world, and their process worked consistently and received a good outcome. But Tesla lagged a bit in delivering products and people started complaining. Then, the team worked on it and changed their plan, and the company reached peak again. In 2008, Tesla had just a 10% chance of success. But over the last 7 years, Tesla's revenue has grown at a CAGR of 48.19%. In 2020, the annual income has raised to $31.54 billion. They have also got a solution for charging electric vehicles. Supercharger is Tesla's fast charging network. The company operates 2,649 supercharger stations in 40 countries. You will have a question that how many workers are in Tesla? There are 70,757 full-time employees works at Tesla. And the employee count has grown by 47.36% since 2019, in which the company has added 22,741 new employees. This is the growth of Tesla. Hope you have got some info about it. And before leaving, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.